Attrapez la princesse. Attrapez la princesse.
Pas la princesse.
Attrapez la princesse.
Je suis Daïdara. J'ai de l'argile dans ma main. J'ai de l'argile dans ma main. Je suis Daïdara.
Sarah.
Papa, je suis Daïdara. Capture. Papa. Viens.
Oh my gosh, Ty. What? Never got you here before you get done.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Good morning, my babies. Good morning, my babies.
Quack, quack. Good morning. I'm going to the alphabet.
What are you doing?
I'm going to the alphabet to type ABC.
You're doing alphabet with Tai Tai?
Yeah.
Okay, you're coloring alphabets.
Yeah.
You're having fun.
But Mama,
Yes.
when faves here everyone see that Sarah sing Tai Tai and you're saying Tai to call me. Do they think my name is Tai?
They know what your correct name is.
How?
Because they know. Ty is a short for Tyler.
Well, at least if there's somebody they know now, they know.
Exactly. And there's another one, my big baby. Say good morning. Your mouth full.
It's my use the big baby.
No, trust me, Papa is the big baby.
No.
I am Papa big baby and Papa is my big baby.
No, you're Papa big baby. Papa is the tallest because he's the oldest.
Yeah, but Papa is also my baby and I'm Papa's baby. What did you do? Okay, you're doing alphabet.
Yeah.
You guys hear my little parrot? You guys hear my little parrot? Look at my little parrot. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new, what kind of day it is? Cloudy, a little bit of sun peeking out here and there, a little chill here and there. No more summer, summer is gone. So things have cooled down a lot. Now you're going outside. When it's windy, you need a jacket, but I love to feel the coolness. So on a day when it's not raining, I don't need no jacket, girl. But like yesterday when it poured, I definitely needed something. Oh, Jamaicans, my Jamaicans in Jamaica, you guys missed the storm, so good for you guys. I saw something on social media says the Met Office was working with the supermarkets because the supermarkets became empty over the weekend. Everybody went to buy up things in order to prepare for the storm to come, and the storm take a turn. So Jamaica is really, parts of Jamaica is missing out on the heavy rain and the wind and such like that, but that's good. Count it as a blessing. How are you guys doing though? Hopefully you guys are having a good day. It's early morning here, so everybody's just up and getting in the groove of things. Yeah, letter, good job. Everybody's getting in the groove of things, and it's Sunday here, so you know it's preparation for the new week ahead. Just one more week before I start school, so I only have this week left. Leave to rest to get all the things that I need to get for school before next week come. But I'm excited and nervous at the same time. I don't know why I'm nervous, but I guess it's normal feeling like that going into such occasion. But anyway, I'm ready. I've been waiting on this moment since forever, so I'm ready. Anyway, you guys have a good day. Enjoy the rest of today's vlog. Whatever it is that we have to show you, of course we'll share bits and pieces of our day. Catch and keep up. Subscribe if you're new to the fam bam. And oh, thank you guys to everybody who have purchased a book. And if you're wondering what I'm talking about, I'll leave the link down below. My brother has published his first book, a children's book, and lots of you have bought the book. I woke up this morning of screenshots from people sending me proof that they ordered the book and waiting on their delivery. So I'm super excited. I'm thankful to you guys who have ordered the book, and thanks in advance to people who will go ahead and purchase the book. Appreciate every single one of you for always showing up for my family. Catch up and keep up, and I'll see you guys throughout the rest of today. Somebody's about to go get a haircut while the other one is sleeping. What day is tomorrow?
Judo day.
No. Picture day.
Oh, yes.
Let me see the smile. But not with this hair.
But Mama, I'm going to do furry smile, and you're going to tell me which smile I need to do. First one, second one, or third one.
Okay.
I don't say right now.
Okay.
Say when I say go.
Okay.
Which one? First one, second one.
Okay, you have to tell me when you're good. When you're doing them, you say
Okay.
number 1, number 2.
Number 1. Number 2. Wait.
But you have to hold the smells a little longer so I can see it properly. Start over.
Oh, to laugh too much.
Come back here.
Number 1.
Okay, say the number first, then do the smile. Or do the smile first and say the number. Which one you gonna do?
Number first. Number 1. Don't count when I laugh. Number 2. Number 3. Which one?
Number 2.
Yes.
The number 2 again, let me see. Right. The
But
number.
not do this.
Bah alors tu mets le papier à la poubelle s'il te plaît, le papier.
Go hide, Sarah.
Hide, Sarah, hide. Tata, come in, hide.
Sur la cuisine.
Go hide, Sarah, come.
Là, regarde. Peut-être tu vois.
Okay, hide here.
T'as un ornement micro goûter, hein?
Qui?
Sarah.
Oh shit, but she don't have no goûter.
Tu n'as pas goûter.
Sarah! What you doing to Papa?
Mettez-moi en l'air, papa.
What are you supposed to be? To a doctor or something?
Yes.
C'est supposed to take care of me.
So he's taking care of you. You getting exercise to do? Okay. So what the thing over his eyes are, Ty?
Is to make him sleep.
Okay. And what this thing on his chest?
I'm putting him a radio.
Already, okay.
Yes.
You did a scan. You did an MRI. And this one is here squeezing out the water out of her paintbrush. Sarah, Sarah, don't squeeze it. Paint on the mat. Look at babe like in a spa. Yeah, the spa, babe. A week out.
So I have Sarah would play doctor, and I have Sarah would give me all of her teddy bear, all of her pets to support me.
But Jesus, Sarah, give you Bluey and Bingo. I just seen Bingo between your foot and Bluey under your hand.
Yes. We do what I did.
Oh my gosh.
To support.
Is the support? Oh my gosh. Is it emotional support, animal?
Take care of me.
Mm-hmm.
Si la validation est verte, c'est que c'est bien. Si elle est rouge, c'est qu'elle n'est pas bien. Si elle est blanche, c'est qu'elle est moyenne.
Oh my god. This Dr. Hilarious. This one down here, coloring. It's been a lazy Sunday, lounging around, doing work here and there, but resting for the most part. Right now it's time for me to head into the kitchen. I don't know what I am going to cook because I always cook based off what I feel for, or if somebody requests something. But that doesn't work today. Nobody requests anything and I don't feel to eat, so I'm just gonna go into the kitchen and let the kitchen inspire me. So whatever happens, happen. You wanted what?
Patty.
You guys hear that? He say he wanted patty.
Do you have a corned beef?
Babe want corned beef, Tyler want patty. Only one person request going to fulfill because no corned beef is here, which means I need to write that on the supermarket list. I would eat some corned beef and rice too. Speaking of that, that's always our thing when we don't know what to cook. It's always corned beef and rice. That never fails. And in a moment like this when it's raining outside, what perfect steak,
egg and fries.
You hear babe out in steak and fries? I don't know who her name. You see how we eating like crap all weekend and he's coming to request steak and fries. Might as well we eating like crap today. Might as well just finish the day strong. But I'm not doing no fries. You guys ate fries yesterday.
Steak and fry would have been the more healthiest of the weekend.
I don't know what to cook, but I think I'm gonna do salmon in the fridge.
Okay.
Tyler wanted patty, but let's see. Here we go.
That's salmon and pasta.
Salmon and pasta. That sounds like a plan.
We have rice in the back, no?
Yes, rice in the back.
But I want pasta.
But I'm still gonna cook pasta.
Tu vas te cogner avec un autre passager.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe. You guys, you see, I give the boys haircut. They're looking fresh with the haircut.
C'est bien le massage.
Oui, c'est super.
Le massage.
Tu fais le massage à papa? Oui. Allez, fais le massage avec Playtime. Va voir Playtime, va te montrer comment on fait.
Rub.
They're giving Papa massage. Rub hard, Sarah, hard.
Do like tie-tie. Do it.
Oh, no, not too more.
That's a four hands massage.
You feel like spider crawling in your back. Especially with Sarah and Tyler, little fingers. Now look like the tickling you at this point.
Il y a une araignée vénéneuse sur ta tête. L'araignée vénéneuse. Je te lance du poison sur les membres. Maman,
Tyler, some attached on your back, honey.
Huh?
Tyler, red thing that you had on your eyes is attached to your back. Papa, go use.
Oh, you want to do like a ninja? C'est moi qui ai volé ton kunai.
Be careful, guys.
Tu me fais des coussins lagi. Tu peux battre des petits coussins lagi.
Attrapez la princesse. Attrapez la princesse.
Non, pas la princesse. Attrape la princesse. Je suis Daïdara.
Never got you before you get done.
Je suis ton père. Je suis ton père et tu ne peux plus bouger. J'ai gagné. J'ai gagné.
Tu peux mal. Il y a un truc aïe. Moi, à l'hôpital.
C'est pour la princesse. J'ai gagné la princesse.
This is what dinner turned out to be. Salad with salmon. And Tyler and Sarah is having pasta. Tyler hates raspberries. So no raspberry. And I did not cook no veggies. So that's dinner for today.
Son livre. Cahier. Cahier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Let her.
Count. 1, 2.
Anna en français. En français.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oui, c'est l'heure de manger. À la cantine, Choupi s'assoit à la table de Pilou et Labou. Il y a des concombres en entrée, une poire en dessert et comme plat du panier. Poisson pané. Poisson pané. Et des petites poires. Youpi! S'exclame Choupi. Après le repas, les petits vont faire la sieste. Choupi enlève ses chaussures et allonge sur son lit. Parfois, c'est un peu difficile de s'endormir. Heureusement, il serre Doudou contre lui. Après la sieste, la maîtresse a préparé des petits ateliers. On peut faire la peinture ou de la pâte à modeler. Choupi prend un pinceau et enfile son tablier. Il y a plein d'idées. À la fin de la journée, la maîtresse lit une histoire. Elle choisit un livre. Et tout le monde s'installe autour d'elle sur les petits. C'est quoi ça? Coussins. Choupi écoute bien. Dring! C'est l'heure des mamans et des papas. Choupi court vers ça.
It's time for me to go to my bed.
What about me? I'm tired, but I
don't know what
didn't
you wanna
feel
do.
good all day.
In
In terms of my body feel, I had so much intention. I have intention to work out. I promise you. Right hands up. So, but I just felt terrible.
He's saying that because he didn't work out much in the week, and he said that he was
it's
gonna
just
work
Friday, I
out.
didn't work out.
He said he was gonna substitute that day for one weekend day, and the weekend has come and passed,
Well,
and I still don't get my one day. So I want to know, where is it? You
Well,
still got time. You have an
yeah,
hour
I
before
still got
bed.
time.
You have an hour before bed, and then you wake up 5:30 and work out again. That'll be cool.
Yeah, that would be cool.
That'll be dead. Anyway, guys, today was, like I said, mostly chill. The kids played. They played like crazy in the evening with Papa and I. And now they're in bed. They have school tomorrow. And yeah, I'm just rambling right now. I'm just coming on to tell you guys that I'm going to bed, and thanks for watching.
Continue talking. Continue talking.
Babe. Stop.
Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up.
You can't even talk. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below. Subscribe if you're new. Catch up and keep up with the fan band. And of course, we'll see you guys tomorrow.
She feels better tomorrow. She look tired.
5:30 tomorrow morning. I have to wake up to work out, and so is this guy. I think babe was feeling bad today because yesterday we went all in on the terrible eating yesterday. We had pizza for dinner that I didn't get to show you guys. We had KFC for lunch. We ate like crap all day. So today he was really terrible. You know when you eat healthy and then you eat a bunch of crap in one day, then you just feel sick. You just want to go back to the healthy eating. Yes, I'm confessing for both of us that yesterday we had an indulging day, which I have no regrets doing. But anyway, see you guys tomorrow because babe can't leave me. Babe say letting us all her secrets. I have roughly 5.5 hours to go and sleep before workout. So yeah, I'm gone. It's almost 12 o'clock. By the time I go in the bed and scroll my phone, it's 12 o'clock.